Okay. Okay, this is my product. This product name is like mountain dash 100 space black comma 38. So I want to know, but I'm not sure about complete product name, but I'm just knowing about just mountain. So by this way, I would like to see how many products are there with the name of mountain, or else starting with M, or else MO. So for that, we are going to use one operator like operator. Okay, select star from product table name, where where product name equal to, if suppose if I know that product name, okay, then I'm going to give you directly equal to product name. Then it will display only for that particular product. But I don't know about exact product name, but I just know the first two letters or first 3-4 letters only. Then that time I would like to give you the like operator, where product name like is the one of the operator. It will give you that related information. Suppose here I am giving you a like operator. You always like percentage. You have to use these percentages. Sorry, you have to use the percentages, and in between you are going to give you uh, any data. Suppose in between I just know that mountain only. Mountain, MOUN, that's it. That much I know. So then if I run this code, it will give you the data which is related to MOUN. In between, anything in between, it will give you MOUN products. But I would like to display starting with MOUN. See here, LLMON, this is one of the product. LLMON, this is one of the product. But I would like to know just starting letter MOUN. Then now I can able to see only see the differences. It will give you only starting with MOUN. Okay, now I would like to see. Let's see. Now I'm going to see one of these things. I don't know that the first letter. I don't know the first letter, but I know the second letter. Second letter is something H. So now I would like to display the data, the second letter starting with H. Okay. Now I'm going to see how to do that. There is a like operator. Then the first letter, whatever it is, I'm not bothered about those things. The first letter, whatever it is, for that I just giving you one underscore. And the second letter must and should, it will display only H. I don't want to get some another letters. I want to display the second letter should be the H. Then the data will be like this way. These many records are there from second letter starting with H. Okay, and suppose I want to give you the last letter. Last letter was like someone like 30, 38. Then like the percentage, and the last letter was 38. These two records, I would like to display this one. It will give you the records ending with 38. See, all the 38 records ending with 38. Okay, so this is the way we can use like operator. Even we can say that I want to display the third letter should starting with like anything or something. Now you want to display the syntax is for like is select like single quotes and here the percentages in the sense in between the words. If you want to directly starting with letter, you can remove the percentage, the first one. If you want to know the ending letters now, you can remove that end percentage. Now, if you want to display the third letter onwards, one underscore it retains one record, one character, and second underscore is second character, and third character I would like to display only A, and you should maintain the percentage of the last up to it can still like it will display only the records which are having the third letter is A. Okay, this is the way we can use the like operator. Okay, clear guys, any doubts? Any doubt? No, no. Now we'd like to know one more operator like between. Okay, now select start from product. I would like to display the sizes, the size between operator. I'm going to introduce here between operator. Size between 38 and 40. Okay, now it will display the okay, see, same what it is saying, your size data type is nvarchar, but you are passing only numeric value. That's why it will give you the this error. See, it will give you that between 30 to 40, it will give. It doesn't give before 38 like 36, 32, 34, and it doesn't give any after 42 like 40, 42, 46, 44, 46. It will not give you the this is one of the operator. Okay, and one more operator is like now uh, just a second. You saw the date. You saw the date. Here is the date is there. So now I would like to now I am going to display. First, I would like to know the date from where it is starting, from which date it is starting. I would like to know order by start date. It will give you that from exactly what is the start date of this particular this thing. Like yeah, this is the start date. Okay. Hmm? If you are giving your order by DESC, so it will give descending order. By default, ascending order it will give. If you want to run descending, then this is the max date, right? This is the max date. And this is the min date. Okay, understand? So here I want to display same even we can use the between operator. I want to display the records which is related to in the year of 1998 1998 products I would like to display. Then I'll give you here this date only, where the start date equal to, then where the start date equal to, even date also we have to mention the single quotation. Yeah, it will give you this many records. Okay. Okay. Now suppose I like the some we just like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to. If I'm giving you this one greater than, then how many, so it will display the records which we are greater than this date, like um, this remaining data. I think only two dates. Here I would like to know distance of the dates. Then what we can do, what we can do if I want to know distinct dates only. Yes, distance or date. Okay, only I think we have four dates. Okay, only four dates. Yeah. So then, okay, it's a greater than, less than. I think everybody knows on that. Yeah, in operator like between greater than, less than. And yeah, guys, give me 1 second. No, నేను క్లాస్ అయిపోయినాక వస్తాను, మీరు వెళ్ళండి. లేదు, 9వ నేను. Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, we have some other operators also, equal to, not equal to, and you just go and go through that Google, and you can get all the things. If suppose I don't want to display, I don't want to display see, this is the data. As now I'm going to display for this particular date range. So then I don't want to display rather this date. Then we can do, this is the not equal to condition. Then it will give you the rest of the records from this date. And suppose greater than or equal to, those are common. And between, in, okay, even not and in, not and suppose uh, Here I'm using in operator. Yeah, this is in operator, right? This will give you how many records? It will give you 180 products are there. If suppose if I am giving you not in, it will give you the records rather than these four colors. Like it doesn't give you black, blue, gray, and multi. It will give you rest of the colors. Whatever rest of the colors are there, it will give you all those colors. Okay. Okay. And our function. Okay, fine. So operators are in the sense it's a very simple one. Like we can even we can aware of that even in general format also, equal to, not equal to, greater than, and plus and minus, concatenate, these things also. Now we will work out some functions, aggregate functions are there. Just a second there. Hello, hi guys. Here we are going to discuss some functions, sample functions are there. Now today we are going to discuss some aggregate functions. Okay, you know everybody aggregate functions in the sense it will give you that min, max, count, sum, average. These all are the aggregate functions. Now suppose I would like to display min of the min of the date, like start date. It will give you min date, less date of this particular record. Already we saw that, right? Start date, min date, and max date. So here I suppose I'll give you min. Then it will give you what is the minimum date of this particular this thing. Yeah, this is the min value, and max. Max, and this is the min, that this is the max date. Okay, this is the min and max. So now I would like to tell you one interesting one. The question is like how many records, like color wise record I would like to know. Understand the question? Total I have 606 products are there. I would like to know count of colors, count of products in each color. Okay. So now the code is, you understand my question? So black color, how many products are there? And silver colors, how many products are there? I want to know that information. Then here we are going to use one aggregate function like count. Okay. Count. In generally, so we have 606 record, right? If suppose I would like to know count star in the sense how many records are there, it will display 606 records are there. Okay. Now I would like to see color wise count. Okay, color wise count. If any aggregate function you can use, you should use the group by class. Okay. You should remain the star column. The rest of the columns you have to put in group by class one. So group by color. So now it will give you the data on a color wise. Like see here, you can give you one alias name. Better try to use don't no column name. Don't practice like this way. You should give any name. Like you can as is the optional alias name for alias name as is the optional. I'll give you from my end just count PMD count, right? So here I would like to display order by 2 and means second column. Here I am executing that one. It's a gray color, we have only one product. Okay, and white color we have 4 products. For testing purpose, check with select on product backup. Okay, where color equal to gray. How many records we have to get? It will give you only one record. Okay, because that gray color products we have only one particular product. So this is the way we can get the count of color wise count from each and every product. So here we are using count function. Okay. So min max count sum. So suppose sum in the sense we have to use some other tables like it's related to money, something like this. Select star from factoring itself. This is one of the table. It is having all the sales information. Okay, this is having all the sales information. So this is the unit price and extended amount and sales amount. All these things here. Now I would like to know the product key, like suppose the sales amount, tax amount. Yeah. See, in a product table, suppose in a product table, we have product keys, right? Okay. So in this table, we have product key. Please be careful. So in this table, we have product key also, right? Here also product key is there, and in this also product key is there. So for suppose gray color product is like this key is 446. Now here I would like to display where product key equal to 446. Okay. So now tell me, it will display. I think there is no sales for this product. So we'll see one more product. Let's say some multiple product keys. Okay. For these products, I have a data. For suppose we'll for understanding now, we'll take one particular product. That is 230, 228. Okay, so for this particular product 228, what is that product name? Guys, you understand? Are you following? Are you get any confusion? Okay, everything is fine. Are you following, right?
Yes, sir. Order by two, why, sir?
Order by two in the sense, in this particular, yeah, we have two columns, right? I'm just mentioning two, or else you can directly give you that CND.
Already we selected color or count only two.
Color and yeah, this is one column, and this is the another column. It is also one of the column, right? But it's a count star, like how many columns, how many records are there for this particular color wise. So that's why I'll just put the group by color, and then it will. I want to see the count of increasing count, ascending order. So that's why here I am displaying from count second column. So if suppose DSC na like descending order, it will give you the descending order of the second row, second column. Like this is the this is the way we are using order by class.
Okay.
Hmm?
Why? How to insert the date format, sir, in the column?
How to insert?
Date format. We have to give the zeros also.
Number you are saying zero? No, no, no.
Date format, you give the zeros in the display format.
Uh,
Date format.
I didn't get ఎలా మామూలుగా చెప్పండి డేట్ ఫార్మేట్
For inserting the date also, we format how we give the format.
yeah the format na okay then suppose I'll show you that one. We have some functions are there suppose this will get date. Okay, it will display the current date and time. Okay, this will display the current date and the time and seconds also, nanoseconds. If you want to insert the data in a, if your column is having date time, then you are going to insert this format only. Okay, if your column is having data type as date only, then you have to give only date, this much only. Okay, here one functions are there, I'll show you that one. Convert, cast and convert, two functions are there. Cast as date. So how it is displaying demonstration now, just observe. So it will give you only date. Okay, date time 2, date time 2 is the one of the date, and it will display with like the nanoseconds and nanoseconds also it will give you. And yeah, by this way we can get all this thing. I would like to give you time. It will give you, it will display only time 8:35:26 seconds. Okay, 8:35:26 seconds and with nanoseconds. Okay, so we have some multiple functions are there. We will go one by one. Now we just concentrate on aggregate functions, min, max, sum, average, these things. For this particular product, these many sales are happening. So now I would like to say the sales amount, total sales amount and tax amount for this particular product. Then I need to use the sum function, sum of sales amount, okay, and sum of tax amount. This is the total sum and this is the tax for that. Okay, this much amount they were sold, and this is the tax amount for this particular amount. Even we can write average sales amount. So this is the average, because you know that the average calculation, how to do that average. So total number by count of number, right? Total number plus count of number. So this is the average of for this particular product. Okay. So aggregate functions are min, max, sum, and count. Count distinct also, it is one of the aggregate function. It will display like that way. And we have some other functions. Some of the functions. I will tell you and four more functions. This is a very important functions. Date functions. In real time, almost we are going to use these functions more and more. Okay. So suppose total we have date functions are there. Here you can able to see here, right? I'll show you the table, programmability, functions. Okay. See, hello. Everybody see this here. It's a table valid function, scalar valid function, and aggregate function. So, and system function. So these are all of the types of functions. Like suppose aggregate functions, system functions, system different functions, also having some different like aggregate function. Just now we discussed it, right? Aggregate. These all are the aggregate functions. Complete. These all are the aggregate functions. But in this, we don't want to use all of these things. We can use min, max, sum. We can use, and even count. Count also we are going to use. These four, five things only we are going to use aggregate function.